Good morning, students. Today we are discussing the Dagmar approach in advertising. Yesterday I have shared a URL containing the advertising management models, and you have been seeing the different types of models such as IDA model, 5-stage model, 6-stage model, and Dagmar model. What is Dagmar model? The Dagmar indicates D for define, A for advertising, G for goals, and M for measure, again A for advertising, and R for results. So Dagmar means define advertising goals for measuring advertising results. Then what is Dagmar? It is created in 1961 by Russell Coley. Dagmar is a marketing tool for measuring the results of an advertising campaign. And the model stresses defining the segment of the market that the campaign seeks to reach. The Dagmar approach advocates a marketing strategy that guides the consumer through 4 stages, that is awareness, comprehension, conviction, and action. That path has become known by its acronym as the ECCA formula. And the 4 steps of the campaign are as follows: generating awareness of the brand among the consumers. Once again, the 4 steps are, once again I am explaining the 4 steps. Firstly, generating awareness of the brand among customers. Then second one, increasing comprehension of the product and its benefits. Thirdly, convincing consumers that they need the product and persuading consumers to buy it. Okay, awareness, comprehension, conviction, and action. Okay, the Dagmar seeks to guide the consumers through these 4 phases. So it is known as this ECCA formula. It also sets specific and measurable objectives to determine the overall success of the campaign. And the Dagmar method contains 2 goals. Firstly, it is developed for a communication task that accomplish those specific ECCA steps. That is, the first step is to develop a communication task to accomplish the objectives or goals. That is the first goal or step. And second one, to establish objectives with measurable results for the communication task. Okay, this is the second goal, to establish or to set objectives with the measurable results for the communication task. And the goals of the communication task are to generate awareness of the brand, increase consumer comprehension about the products and the services, its benefits, and to convince the consumers that the product offering is of use to them, and finally to persuade the consumers or customers to take action and to purchase the product. This is the basic goals or the 2 goals, or the content of the 2 goals means, firstly, the goals of communication task are to generate awareness of the brand. A. Then increase consumer comprehension. C. Consumer comprehension about the product and services and its benefits. And next C. Convince consumer that the product offering is of use to them. And finally, action, that is to persuade the customer to take action and purchase the product. This is the basic content of Dagmar approach or the ECCA formula. ECCA means A for awareness, C for comprehension, and C for conviction, and finally A for action. So we can say that this model belongs to a class called hierarchy of effect model. Okay. So what are the basic requirements for evaluating the effectiveness of advertising campaign? Firstly, be concrete and measurable. Define the target audience or market. Identify the benchmark and the degree of change expected. Specify a period during which to accomplish the objective. Russell Coley believed that effective advertising seeks to communicate rather than sell, and he specified these basic requirements for evaluating the effectiveness of an advertising campaign. Once again, be concrete and measurable, define the target audience or market, identify the benchmark and the degree of change expected, and specify a period during which to accomplish the objectives. Identifying a target market to implement Dagmar. That is, identifying a target market is very essential factor in case of Dagmar. The target market is the subset of consumers who have the highest likelihood of purchasing the product, and the target market may be narrow or broad. It may be women, or in general, or a young professional single woman who live in urban areas. So we can conclude that the Dagmar means defining advertising goals for measuring advertising results. There are basically the stages through which the potential customers has to move through. These stages are awareness, comprehension, conviction and action.